Hello everyone. This in this presentation, actually, I'm going to tell you how to prepare for examination. Okay. Many of the students, they are looking for important questions, and important question also I shared with you. You see, there is nothing called as important because question papers, it will be taken from different teachers. What they feel as important, that only going to come. Okay. So here I came with one plan that you can prepare in this way and you can crack it. So what I'm going to do now, uh, I'm going to I'm going to show you how to prepare for the examination. Okay. So here I have syllabus on your screen. If you see the first unit number 1. So this unit number 1 already we know we have studied in C also. Okay, C data structure we have prepared. In that we have seen what is variables, what is operator, and we have control statements, we have conditional statements. Everything will be covered in first unit. So first unit, if you cover, definitely you will get at least 20 marks in the examination, but you have to prepare completely. Okay. So let me mark down here. So what is so first introduction to Java, that history, futures, what are the futures available in Java? Definitely they may ask this question, what are the futures available in Java? Okay. You refer textbook, and the notes also I have posted in WhatsApp, that also you can go through. And how Java differs from C. This, it's a common question. Actually, it is common question that you can answer on spot. No need to prepare for this. Data types you can compare, and you can compare objects. And in Java we have objects. In C language we don't have objects. Many things are there difference in C and Java that you can do. Java and internet, Java and World Wide Web, WWW. The thing World Wide Web means it's internet. Okay. Then web browser. What are the web browser we have? Which web browsers are support for applet? Which browser will not support for applet? That also you can mention. And what is web browser? That also you can explain. Coming to hardware and software requirements, it's very simple. Hardware and software requirements. What? To run Java program, how much hardware I required? What are the software required? If you do ChatGPT, you will come to know. Just to keep in your mind those things. Okay. Then Java support systems, Java environment, overview of Java language, introduction, structure of the Java program, this and all. Just you go through and keep it in your mind. This and all not that much important, but some possibilities are there. You can get this question. Okay. Implementing Java program means nothing. If you know any Java program, I add it to add two numbers. That is the implementation of Java program. Very simple. Then what is JVM? Java Virtual Machine. Next, command line argument. For that one program you learn. See, if they ask, write a program, to demonstrate command line argument. Very simple. In practical, we have one program, command line argument, that you can write. Okay. Next, I think factorial we have for command line argument. Factorial program that you can write. Next, we have variables and data types. Yes, variables and data types. Okay, we have studied in C itself. So if you see, um, so what are the data types we have? We have int, float, double. We have character. We have byte. We have short. This many data types we have. These all things you can write on your examination. Next, to constants. Constants means how to declare constants variable. Next, variables. Then scope of variables. Scope of variables means global. What is global variable? What is instance variable? Okay, this and all you just see. Next is symbolic constants. Nothing variable only. Type conversions. Getting values of variables. Getting values of variable means you can declare one variable I is equal to 10, that you can print I if you are printing 10 is going to print. Nothing, very simple. Next, operators and expressions that we know. So we have arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, increment, decrement operator, conditional operators, bit operator, special operators. These all things you know, students, already. Okay. Next, the arithmetic expressions. Arithmetic expressions, for example, A is equal to B divided by C. This is one arithmetic expression. Like this one code you can write. Okay. Next, evaluation of expression. Say very simple. A you are going to print. So this all covers in two topics. Next, precedence of arithmetic operators and associativity. In this, precedence of arithmetic operator means you know about um, board mass, bracket of multiplication, addition, subtraction. You can write your own expression. In that expression, which part will be executed first? Precedence, that is called precedence. And if you have same precedence for two operators, that is called as associativity. Okay. Then mathematical functions we have like ABS, we have floor, we have seal. Okay. This all things and all mathematical expressions we have, that all things you just go through it. Any five mathematical expression you just keep in your mind and it purpose. ABS means absolute, floor means what? For example, if I'm write 4.7, what is the floor value for this? Floor value for this 5. What is the seal value for this? Seal value is 4. Okay, very simple. Okay. Next, decision making and branching. See, decision making and branching. See, students, decision making means um, if else will come in decision making. If else switch go to, this all comes under decision making. Branching means you see looping. Okay, looping statements, looping control statements, looping statements, both are same. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, if you get confused in this, confusion in this, what you do, if they ask for decision making, you write looping as well as if condition also. If else like that you can write. Okay, if you have confusion. So here while, do, while, under loops it will come. Loops or control structures or branching. Three names we have for this. Okay. So jumps in loops, labeled loops. This is nothing label. Okay. And that's it. The first unit is over. So you have already 90% of your knowledge about the first unit. If you prepare now properly, then you can crack first unit. So now first unit is in your hand. Okay. Coming to second unit. You see, in second unit, we have objects, we have class, constructor. What is constructor and its types? Next, method. What is method overloading and one example for that. Next, we have static members, nesting of methods. This all things and all very simple that you learn. Then inheritance in second unit, inheritance and its types, also, inheritance types also. Okay. Next, overriding methods. You see, method overloading and method overriding. Two programs you learn. Overriding. Two programs you learn. This is clear. Okay. Then, so we have final keyword. Final keyword we have that we will use for variables. First thing, finalizer method is there. Finalizer method is there. Then we have final, final method is there. Final method is there. Regarding final, we have these two things only. That also you prepare it. Okay. Next, abstract method and abstract class. This is very simple. So if you want to learn about this, see, abstract means what? Consider I have a textbook. In the textbook, I will be having index page. In index page, only the titles will be there. Okay, only the titles will be there. We will not get any information about this in the index page. Information, if you want, we have to turn the page and we have to go inside and see. Okay, for example, array. Array is a topic. but you will not get any entire thing in the index page. You have to go inside the concerned page number. You have to visit there. You will be having array description and about array. Everything will be there. So in index page we have something now that is called as declaration. That is called as declaration. Okay. Inside we have something in the page that is called as definition. So abstract method or abstract class means what? In abstract method, only the declaration will be there. In abstract class also, only the declaration will be there. No definition, no definition. Then where the definition will be? Definition will be in any any subclass or any sub methods. Okay, so we have this example program in our practical notebook, which means the observation. That's why I ask you to maintain observation. If you go to observation notebook, we have plenty of examples. For abstract, we have one example that you read out. It's very, very, very simple. Only, I think, 15 lines of code. Okay, so this part also done. Abstract method and class is also done. Then visibility control is nothing. We have keyword like private, public, protected. This keyword you remember, I think. So these keywords, by using these keywords, many programs are there. Any small program you can take about what is private, how it works, what is public. If you mention any variable as a public, if you mention any method as a public, if you mention any class as a public, how it works. Private also class, you can put into class, you can put into variable, you can put into method also, how it works. These all things you can in visibility control or access modifiers. We have two names for this. All right. Now let me clear the screen. Yeah. All right. Now let me wait quick. Next, arrays. See, students, arrays. We are studying this thing from first year. Okay. What is array? See, in array, what is array? We have to write first thing. Second thing is types of arrays. Third one is all the types. So we have two types of arrays. First one is what? Single dimension. Second one is multi-dimension. In multi-dimension, we have 2D array and 3D array. So you have to write single dimension, what is single dimension, what is multi-dimension, what is 2D, what is 3D. So only one program you write for 2D, okay, which includes 1D also. Okay, then explanation. That's it, array is over. Okay, so array, if you see array, string and vectors, I'll tell you what is string and vectors. Arrays, one dimension array, creating an array, two dimension array, creating an array, two dimension array. See, they have given two times printing mistake, I think. Then strings. See, strings, about strings, if you talk, they may ask string, what is string? Then string functions. Okay, so we have one program in practical. We have many string function. Any three functions you keep in your mind. Any three functions. There are some possibility. This what types of string functions they may ask in 2 mark, or they may ask in 5 mark, or they may ask in 10 mark also. Any four at least you keep in your mind. If they ask in 10 mark, all four you write and explain it. On example program you give. If they ask in 5 marks, you write any two or three. All four also, if you want to write it. In 2 marks, if they ask all four, you list it. Okay, simple. So now about string also we have seen. Next, wrapper class. See, students, wrapper class, I have posted video. It's very simple. Okay, it's very simple. Wrapper class, to understand wrapper class, very simple. Where and all we have used wrapper class, that I have given clearly, I explained in that video, that watch that video before you could go for the examination. Okay, now second unit also over. First unit over, second unit over. Okay, now uh, now let me drop down quickly. Yeah, it is not coming. Just a minute. Yeah. Now, I'm directly jumping to fourth unit. See why I'm going to fourth unit. This this one is for only weak students. See students, this methodology, if you follow this procedure, what I'm explaining, this way if you go, then definitely you will get at least 60 to 70 marks. Okay, 60 to 70 marks, I am sure. More than 50 you will get. More than 50, but you have to follow this completely. You have to complete this completely. Okay. Coming to fourth unit, it's very simple. Why I'm not touched third unit? Third unit, if you have time, you touch. Weak students, if you have time, you touch third unit. Fourth unit, you will get at least 20 marks in the examination. Okay. So we have here in fourth unit, we have three categories. First one is applet. Second one is graphics programming. Okay, where we have graphics. Yeah, graphics programming introduction, and about the graphics we are going till yeah, let me put mark here. Yeah, till this all are same. After that we have file IO. See, file IO is easy. Okay, today I will post that video. File IO is easy. Those who are very those who are want sorry not very those who are want to score more marks, you can go for this. And poor students, weak students in this subject, you can go for this one. At least you try to understand what is file, how we are writing, how we are getting input from the source, external sources, how we are writing the content into the other file. So file to file, how we are moving the characters, that all things you will learn in the file IO. File IO is simple. Okay, done. Now, in fourth unit, what is applet? So, applet program, any two applet programs you keep in your mind. Any two applet programs. Okay. If they ask any one applet program, write one applet program as an example, you give an explanation for that. That applet program, any one you can write, then you can give the explanation. And life cycle. In entire Java, we have two life cycles. Okay, first one is what? Applet life cycle that you learn, that we have here, applet life cycle. Second one is thread life cycle, thread life cycle that we have in the third unit. I'll come back to third unit. So two life cycles we have, that you will prepare it, you will crack the examination. So building applet code, that you know how to write the code, creating an executable applet. Executable applet is nothing, the code what you are writing. So when we write applet code, first we will write the code, right? In the code itself, the HTML tag we will give inside. Okay, here the codes, applet code will be there. Okay, then we will run, then we will compile, and then we will run, then we will see the output. See, for this applet, I have posted video. That video, you watch it, keep applet as a story in your mind, you can answer easily for all the questions. Okay, next, web page designing, web page applet tag, adding applet to HTML file, running the applet, more about HTML tags. So this all things video I have posted, that you watch it. Okay. Then displaying numeric values. This is nothing. We have done practical also in this. We will enter two numbers. After entering two numbers, we will be having buttons like addition, subtraction, multiplication. So addition button, if you press, it is going to add the values. For this, you have the example program in the practical. Getting input from the user, this covers in this only. And then graphics programming also, I have posted video that you watch it. In graphics programming, if you see properly, we have some shapes, lines, rectangles, circles, ellipses, drawing arcs, drawing polygons, line graphs. This all are very, very, very simple. One program, if you learn, just slight modification you are going to make in this, slight modification you are going to make in this, all are same procedure, students. Okay, only thing is shapes to shapes, how the code is varying, that just you observe and keep in your mind, it will be very helpful for you. And finally, we have control loops. So by using for loop, how we are going to move an object from one place to another place, that also in video I have explained. Please go through it. So for this, using control loops in applet, that you can take one program we have in observation. In practical, we have one program, a ball. So window component will be like that. A ball will be here, that will be moving towards right, and again it will come back here. That will be moving towards right. Again it will come back here. That program you can write as an example if you are planning to prepare that one. Okay. All right. Next, finally, drawing bar chart. Okay. So drawing bar chart, that also I explained very clearly in the video that you watch it. Okay. About the file IO that I will post today, file IO also is easy. Just you observe it and you keep as a story in your mind. Okay, all right. Now coming back to third unit. So now we have done fourth unit also. So now 3 units are there in your hand. Okay. So when we have to complete this all things, we have to complete this all things on Saturday night. Before Saturday night, we have to complete this thing. Sir, I have completed first unit. I have completed second unit. I have completed fourth unit. What I have to do, sir? Before Saturday itself, I have completed everything. Okay. Now, on Sunday morning, you prepare only few things from what? In third unit. Till 12 o'clock, you do that. After learning that, whatever you have covered in first unit, second unit, and fourth unit, after 12 o'clock, you take that. Do revision. Okay. Do revision. Okay. Till 8 o'clock, you do this. Which one? First unit, second unit, and fourth unit. When Saturday till 8 o'clock, you can do revision for this. See, till 8 o'clock in the sense, few students can complete the revision within 2 hours. If you complete the revision for 2 hours, next 2 hours again you spend for first unit, second unit, and fourth unit. Again you redo it. Till 8 o'clock, you have to revise only. Don't study any new things. Revise it completely. Okay. Then after 8 o'clock, you take some rest. By 10, you start. Which one? By 10, we have to start the third unit, what you have learned. No. That one you do revision from 10 to from 10 to sorry, this is till Sunday only you can complete know this thing 12 o'clock. Yeah, Sunday. I'm talking about Sunday. So Saturday, if you finish this thing, Sunday till 12 o'clock you can read this thing. Which one? Third unit. 8 to 10 you can take rest. 9, 10 o'clock you start what? Revision of third unit. So if you start revision of third unit, then you can complete within 12 o'clock. After that, you go to sleep. Don't touch anything. Then directly go to examination. Okay. So now, let me take third unit. Let me take third unit. In third unit, what are the things to be covered? Sir, I want to get at least 60 to 70. So what I'm going to do now, yeah, just drag it down. Yeah. Mm, let me rub this. Yeah. In third unit, we have something called as packages, students. So package is very simple. I'll post video for that. Today itself, packages. Okay. So in packages, if you see, packages, we have here like introduction of the interfaces. See, interfaces already we have in practical that you go through. Interface is very simple code that you can how to extend interface, implement interface, accessing interface variables. One code itself we have this all things. Okay. Now 20% we have covered what? Third unit also. One within with one program only that we have in practical. Okay. Coming to packages, I'll put video now that you watch it. Packages also simple. Let me drag it down. Yeah. Let me rub this. Yeah. So packages, I'll post video. Next, what we have next threads. Okay. In threads, multi-threaded programming. So thread is called as what? Multi-threaded programming. We have one example program for threads that you read out. Okay. So for multi-threaded programming, we have one program that is very simple, no logic only. Two for loops will be there. More than that, nothing will be there in that you learn it. Thread is over. Okay, thread is over. Which see multi-threaded programming. That example, creating threads, extending thread classes, stopping thread, blocking thread. Everything will cover in that what? In that one program itself. In practical, we have. So life cycle, next one, second question is in thread life cycle. Definitely they will ask this question. Okay, using thread methods. Next, using thread methods, thread exceptions, thread priority. See, priority synchronization, implementing runnable interface. See, thread priority synchronization, no need to study. Uh, what I will do, I will post one video about this. If you are able to watch, you watch it. Otherwise, you leave. Okay. Thread exception means what are the exceptions we have. So already we have exception handling. Okay. Exception handling. You know that. Next is exception introduction. Types of exception handling code, multiple catch statements, using finally statements. This is enough for third unit. So in third unit, what are the things you are going to cover? First, interface. What is interface? One example program. Second thing is what is package? One example program. Thirdly, what is thread? What is thread? What is multi-thread? And multi-thread, and here we are going to learn only one program, that is from practical. This also, see, this one code I will give, okay, video, and this one interface in practical we have that you learn. Fourth one is thread life cycle. Thread life cycle, fourth one. And fifth one is by using runnable interface, how we are going to make thread. That one, fifth one. And sixth one is about exceptions you prepare. That's it. Third unit, we have only 7 questions. This 7 questions with program properly you prepare. Those who want to achieve 80 out of 80, you can go for this. All right. All right. Now we have done everything. So all the best for you. All the best. Crack the exam nicely. Okay. Thank you.